Hey all, here is a way overdue update for my AC Infinity Airframe T7 fans. These are the ones that are replaced with these Noctua fans here. They're just 120 millimeter. The wiring took a little bit of doing. NFS12A PWM fans. I'll show some photos of the wiring scheme. I guess I did that before, but anyways, so it's just in auto right now. I've got the setting at 84 so they don't kick on. So what I've got are one of them just using the built-in cable, which I rewired, and then the other one I used an extender, which came with a fan, and then the little back part in there has like the little wiring, just getting the 4 pins to go in the back of this controller. Here, let me just change this to something other than auto. This is the intake side of the fans. That's on speed 5. Here's 6. Granted, not the best mic to get a feeling for how loud this thing is. It's way quieter than it was, but that's at the highest setting. Here's 4. My ears are about 18 inches away. It's just barely audible at 3. Yeah, there's pretty much nothing coming from that now. And it sure isn't moving that much air. I mean, I don't know how many cubic feet we're talking about at whatever RPM this is, but it's definitely low. And there we go.